Hey guys, it's Andy with barchefs.com. Today we're showing you the rolling iPad cart. This is the rolling 2 iPad cart to be specific. We make these also in a 4 iPad cart from both sides. You can check that on the website. This one here you can also custom order in different shapes if needed. Just contact us for details so you can mix and match or rearrange the top configuration that you see here for your own information. This is an RGB color changeable unit, comes with a remote control, and it can change any color on demand. Here's a shot of the remote. You see you have 20 solid color pre-shades up top. You have some color changing programs along the bottom, a DIY function to individually adjust the RGB value, and you have a brightness adjustment at the top, and you have a pattern speed control here. So for example, if I want to hit blue, then I'll be blue. Or if I want to be pink, red, green, so on and so forth. Every color in the spectrum is there ready to go. If I want to put it on the auto color changes, I just push that button and it'll slowly fade through those. I can speed that up if I want, or I can slow it down. Additionally, I can do the jump programs there where it just flashes colors. There's a couple different one of those. And then I can put it on auto where it'll circulate through all kinds of fun little random programs. And for the purpose of the demonstration, I'm going to put it back on white. I know a lot of you guys that want to brand will have it on white a lot of the time. There's several shades of white as well, so you can fine tune that. Now, these panels are individually removable, and it's very, very easy. All you have to do is remove these set screws. There's one here, there's one here. When you remove those, you slide this track off, and this panel will come up and out, and you can take it to your local favorite branding shop, or you can have us do branding in-house. Just contact us for more information there. Looking at the iPad stand, you can rotate it, you can tilt it, do it sideways, and these will come with little cushions for different size iPads and different models and things of that nature. Also important to notice, if you look at the bottom of the iPad stand here, there's a little wiring harness, nice for wire management there, and it will port down into the inside of the unit where there is a power strip on the inside of this, and I'll show you that in a moment. That way you can plug up all your goodies underneath and don't have cords everywhere. So let's go over here, same deal, exactly the same. Now if you look in the back here, there are 2 set screws here and here. That's what allows you to tighten this iPad stand up. So if you want to remove this iPad stand, you just simply loosen those with a couple turns. And then your iPad stand is now removable. The reason we did that is you can pack this a lot smaller for shipping. You don't have all that extra volume and airspace, saving you some money. Okay, so guys, another thing, this little compartment here we added, you can get this with no compartment. You can custom order a compartment. You can just let us know what your desires are. This here is an additional wire port with a removable plastic grommet top, so you can slide big plugs down in there. Like say, these guys are going to have a printer up top, so you can have different power outlets like that going down and hidden from the top. Or you can have it without that. Choice is yours. The paint on this is powder coated, so very durable. It has a nice pretty finish, has a clear coat for protection on top. Should last you a long, long time. It's not your typical paint. Okay guys, let's see here. If we go to the back, you can see it has locking doors. Get a little closer. You just insert your key there, undo the latch. Both sides are lockable. And then inside you'll notice there is a power strip. So for your iPad, like I said, you bring your wire down, you plug it into the port. This plug that you see here is for the actual unit, lays in there in the top shelf. You got 2 shelves. For more specific dimensions, you can see the website. Also, the weight of this unit altogether is 139 pounds. Concerning the dimensions of the outside here, The unit is 48 inches from end to end, and this unit is 26 inches from side to side. The height of the unit, we're going to measure real quick. And it sits just at 41 inches high. The rolling, the casters on the bottom are fully lockable, so you can get it in position when you need. Be sure to check out the alternate unit with 4 iPad stands. Hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to check out our social media sites at Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. You can find us on any of those by putting a / Bar Chefs at the end, BARCHEFS. Be sure to check out our main website for up-to-date pricing, www.barchefs.com. And you can call us direct if you need more help at 865-456-1306.